a toothpick model of the U.S.S. Constitution. It's 7 feet total length, 5 feet tall. I put it in the family room. Heck, grandson's playroom more than anything. This was built in 1976. This guy here built it. I've known about this thing for a couple of years. Somebody wanted to give it to me and trying to decide whether I wanted to take it. It needs repair. It's all toothpicks. I don't know how to go about repairing it other than just gluing it back together. I don't know if there's anything to preserve it. All the pieces are here for it. All the insides are finished too. If you look through the portholes, you can see ladderways and bunks and anyway, it's pretty neat. Another project. It looks like there was a mouse in there at one time. Not here though. Another challenge for Grandpa's shop. Okay, thanks for watching my video.